selainai edisi habang selainai edisi habang selainai edisi habang selainai BJP wo buddha de mantha single manake Modi ji no buddha de bebak single manake selainai edisi habang selainai edisi habang selainai edisi habang selainai BJP wo buddha de mantha single manake Modi ji no buddha de bebak single manake Kumulung mejang nake tai barsa nanggo kumbar Kumulung mejang nake tai barsa nanggo kumbar Selainai edisi habang selainai edisi habang selainai edisi habang selainai Kumulung mejang nake tai barsa nanggo kumbar Kumulung mejang nake tai barsa nanggo kumbar edisi resinai pursari kumbubar edisi resinai pursari podo kumbar selainai edisi habang selainai edisi habang selainai edisi habang selainai Sofano edisi habang selainai Alejandro edisi habang selainai Okumawi komo langsung Thokai koksawi dofano falaro Hapla sawi kobon langsung edisi habang selainai edisi habang selainai Selainai edisi habang selainai edisi habang selainai edisi habang selainai
Good morning, media friends. Thank you for covering my door-to-door camping. And we are here at Twikarma. We have gone from door to door asking and seeking blessings from all elders and from all the people of this village.
প্রতি মুহূর্তে দেখা যাচ্ছে যে আপনার কর্মী এবং মন্ত্রীর উপর আক্রমণ হচ্ছে সেই বিষয় নিয়ে আপনি কি বলবেন
See, the attack against our honorable minister and attack against other candidate of ours, this is totally against the development. Those who are doing this, that means they are against the development, they are against the youth unemployment, so they are against all this. So our Bharatiya Janata Party, we are peace-loving, we do not support violence, we really hate this kind of violence, and we are always appealing, even our honorable CM sir is appealing that please do not choose the way of violence. Please let it be free and fair election. Let the people's love be your blessings. Let the people decide, let the people judge whom they have chosen to be the ruler of this coming TTADC election.
জয়ের ব্যাপারে আপনি কতটুকু নিশ্চিত
I'm very confident right now that I'll be winning with a big margin because as you can see day by day, the love and support of the people are very much high and appreciable. Their blessings especially, even though they are from different political party, even though if they may be from CPIM, Tiprasa or IPFT, they are giving huge amount of blessing to me. So these blessings will be converted to both of us, I believe. So I'm pretty sure that I'll be winning with a big margin. Thank you.